According to the report Bois et Forêts des Tropiques released in 2016, our country Burundi, with a forest cover estimated at 171,000 hectares, lose 5,000 to 7,000 hectares of forest every year because of the use of wood as the main source of cooking energy. That causes an alarming rate of deforestation. At this rate, the forest cover of Burundi could disappear in 25 to 33 years, and consequently that will accelerate the climate change effects. According to the office in charge of sanitation in Gitega, the capital city of Burundi produces up to 17,500 tons of waste every year. The absence of effective solution in waste management results in acceleration of greenhouse gases emission and a serious threat to the population health.
Le bois de bois et le bois de chauffage deviennent de plus en plus rares et inaccessibles. En plus de cela, les combustibles fument et sont une menace pour les femmes et les enfants qui sont souvent exposés aux fumées de combustibles lors des activités culinaires.
My name is Delphine Kaze, founder and CEO of Kaze Green Economy, KAGE in abbreviation, a social enterprise that is providing an innovative, sustainable solution to the challenges said above. We are providing an eco-friendly charcoal produced from agricultural residues and household organic solid waste, especially corn cobs of maize, as the main raw material. I'm Ivitangvidza, Chief Operation Officer in Kaze Green Economy. The research we did at the Polytechnic University of Gitega resulted in a clean cooking energy without smokes, with less long burning and efficient burning in terms of calorific power.
Mon nom est Elaze Nihimbazu. Je suis la chargée de la comptabilité et des ventes au Kaze Green Economy. Notre produit, il est abordable par rapport aux autres combustibles, ce qui fait qu'il est une alternative de substitution efficace et préférable dans notre communauté.
We are producing 300 kilograms per day, and thanks to the partnerships with UNDP Burundi, in few months we will be producing 16 tons per day. Brief, we are contributing to achieve the Sustainable Development Goals, especially the goals 7 and 13, in providing an affordable and efficient clean cooking energy and reducing the greenhouse gases emission. Wow, it's a real climate action. We are providing an innovative, sustainable solution in waste management through the promotion of circular economy.
On est une équipe de 7 personnes et très prochainement, avec la nouvelle chaîne de production de 16 tonnes par jour, on sera une équipe de 30 personnes.
KABIOF charcoal for a healthy and eco-friendly life.